everyone, this is my December Fat Quarter Shop, so sampler box. A nice something to have in the mail after the horrible fires and things that we've been having. Luckily we haven't had fires right near us, but we've had a lot of smoke, and just watching all of the things that has been going on around the country is just quite devastating. So very nice to have something pretty and fun to look at, just to have a bit of a relief from all the sad news. And this one's called Vintage Soul. Oh, it looks like we might have some Riley Blake fabrics in here. So that's their little promo code that every So Sampler box comes with. So Vintage Soul. Ooh, okay, I'll have a look at the little tag that tells us all the things that are in here. And looks like it's Laurie Holt. And here we've got a junior layer cake, or a happy 10-inch stacker, and it's got 20 pieces in here of her, doesn't specifically say, oh, Vintage Happy, yep. So let me just, oh, they wrap this well, don't they? Just try and get into this so we can have a closer look at the fabrics. There we go. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, I'm going the fabric. I don't know that I'll be able to get that knot undone, so we might just pull it off down the bottom. Gosh, they like to make things hard to get into, don't they? Maybe we're supposed to just look at it instead of play with it. And you might be able to hear my hubby, he's mowing in the background. So here we have Vintage Happy fabrics. So I love Laurie Holt's low volumes. Her bead backgrounds, I think it was, from a while ago. Absolutely beautiful, and there's a couple of those in here, and just typical Laurie Holt, beautiful, pretty, sweet, a bit country, pinks and reds, some clothespins, coat hangers, some blues. I love her blues too. They're quite a rich, deep, almost a navy. Oh, look at those flowers. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, gorgeous, lovely fabrics from Laurie Holt. Just pretty flowers, pretty prints. That cute one with the bow, that one's sweet. Oh, another one of the backgrounds, a very sewing-y, vintage sewing kind of background. More pretty flowers, some more of those clothespins, and this one at the back looks really interesting. Oh, that's sweet. Orange pearls. That one's a nice one. That would be a fabulous background. And in fact, that in yardage would make a wonderful whole cloth quilt. It'd look like you'd done it all yourself. Okay, so that's the fabric that came with this one. And what else have we got? I don't quite know what these are. Cute point protectors, again from Laurie Holt. She does a lot of notions, and some unbelievable notions. Cute point protectors will keep your scissors looking sharp. Made from durable soft rubber, these protectors come in 2 sizes to fit any pair of small scissors, awls, or seam rippers, and are in cute colours to boot. Okay, I'm gonna try and get through some staples and try and get that out so that we can have a look at it. It comes in it's almost a test tube, isn't it? Cute little container. Try and get some of these out. Oh gosh, that's easier said than done, isn't it? They're rubber, so they're getting stuck in there. Might have to get a pair of scissors to get one out. What a good idea. No, we might just have to trust that that's what you do. You put them on the end of your scissors. So I'll show you those in a picture afterwards once I've managed to get one out. Oh, and one of those seam rollers. They are awesome. For when you're perhaps doing foundation paper piecing or something that you're sitting at your sewing machine and you don't want to have to get up and constantly go back and forward to your iron, even though my iron is just there, you can just quickly do a roll of your seam with this, or flatten it down. It's just a bit better than just finger pressing, and you can keep sewing. You don't have to keep constantly getting up. So that's awesome, and it's a sturdy piece of kit. And what's our pattern? Our pattern is Sweet Daisy by, again, Laurie Holt. Oh, and that's pretty. and that's using her fabric that we got in our 10-inch stacker. You need a bit of background and a bit of borders and binding, but that's the cute little print. Flowers, a bunch of flowers. And our Goodness Grows block is, oh, that looks like a nice easy one. Again, continuing on from each month, Corey Yoda has been producing these patterns for us to make a sampler quilt at the end. I haven't even started yet. I must get to them. And she uses strawberry jam in her blocks as well. So that's pretty. So that's our Sew Sampler box for December. A nice one. I love the fabrics. It's going to be cute. When I can get those open, they'll be fun too, I'm sure, and quite useful, and a beautiful seam roller. So that's it. Have a good day.